Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the right Microsoft 365 Copilot app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so this is the app I'm talking of, and I'll first uninstall it. Now that you don't have the app on our phone, first you need to look for this Google Play Store app or App Store if you're on iPhone. If you are on Android like me, you should see Google Play Store here. From Play Store, search for your app by name, and you can simply search M365 and then Copilot like that. And then if you search, now you'll be taken to this app. Go ahead and tap on it, and you want to ensure that it is from Microsoft Corporation. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.6 with over 8 million reviews. Currently, this app has been downloaded over 1 billion times, so it is widely used. And the file size is around 132 MBs. If you see these details, you have the right app. To install, just tap on install. And this will download the latest version of Microsoft 365 Copilot app and then install it on your smartphone. Once your app has been installed, you can open it from here, or if you go to your apps and open your apps, now you can see you have our Microsoft 365 Copilot. This is the welcoming logo. Now you can proceed and create your account or sign in if you already have an account. So that's how you can install the right Microsoft 365 Copilot app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.